Working from home and setting up online businesses are all the rage these days. Everybody is online, and building wealth from home has never been more accessible. In today's video, I will teach you how to set up a passive income stream for yourself so that you can keep making money down the road as you continue to hustle or even rest. Let me show you how to set this up today, and you can make money over and over again down the line without ever needing to do any extra work. If that sounds interesting to you, then stick around for the entire video. This is Next Level Finance, and before we begin, please make sure that you like and share this video, subscribe to the channel, and hit the notification bell below so that you don't miss out on any of our content. We keep you updated on new money-making ideas and finance all of the time, so you don't want to miss any of that good stuff. And with that said, let's go make some money. The site we're going to be using for today's strategy is called cafepress.com. It's an online marketplace that sells anything and everything from clothing and accessories to stationery and home decor. But instead of having an in-house design team to handle the creative work for them, they work with designers to come up with the millions of designs on hundreds of different products that they carry. As you may have already guessed, I'm going to be teaching you how you can partner with CafePress as a designer. And for those of you who are thinking you don't have a creative eye, you don't know how to use any design software, and this may not be something you're good at, let me tell you that what I'll be teaching you today will include how to pull this off even with zero design or technical skills. And everything that we'll be using today is 100% free, 100% legit. CafePress will also be taking care of the printing, the payment, and the logistics, so besides uploading your design on their website, you pretty much don't have to do anything else. And if there's nothing else stopping you from getting started, let me show you everything right now. First things first, head over to cafepress.com and scroll down to the bottom of the page where you see that it says Start Selling. Here's where you'll see the process that you'll need to follow. Number 1, create and upload a design. Number 2, sell your design. And number 3, make money. Easy as pie. Now, besides being able to do this from anywhere in the world, another great thing about this site is the traffic that it gets. If you check a website like similarweb.com, you'll pretty much be able to measure how much traffic their website is getting each month. And as you can see, they get over 2.3 million views each and every month. And guys, when an online marketplace like CafePress gets views on its site, what do you think people do there? Are they there just to hang out or because they're just lost? Of course not. When you visit an online marketplace, your credit card is practically ready to be used and you're looking to buy something already. This means that CafePress has a built-in audience of 2.3 million people each and every month, and placing your design on their website will give you access to these customers, making selling so much simpler for you. So if that has you convinced, then you can start selling on CafePress by clicking on this Add Designs button over here, and it should take you straight to the sign up page. Alright, and over here, you'll see that this is just a standard painless procedure that you're used to. And after you verify your email address by clicking on the link that they send you, you should be good to go. Once you're logged in, you can hover your mouse over the Create button over here and simply select which type of design you would prefer to work on first, and then just click on that as well. So for demonstration purposes, I think a hoodie will do nicely for the holidays, so let's pick that. As you can see, there are different ones here, so just pick a favorite and it should take you to the CafePress design tool, which looks something like this. Now see here, it says upload image, and let me now take you away from the CafePress website and onto 2 other free platforms that we'll be using for this strategy. Because I told you that this tutorial is for those without any creative background or design expertise, I want you to visit the first platform, which is Pinterest, to check out great ideas for shirts and hoodies. Doing this should give you an idea of what people like and create something that's marketable. Having something to model is actually a wonderful thing, because we don't really need to reinvent the wheel if it's already working, right? So here on Pinterest, let me just search for Christmas hoodies and let's see what comes up. So many cute designs, and for our sample on Cafe Press, I think I want to use this one for inspiration. So with your peg on hand, you can now head on over to the third platform that we'll be using today, and it's called pngtree.com. It's a free resource where you can find images that you can use to create your designs on Cafe Press. They're completely royalty free, as you can see here, and they're allowed for commercial use. So on this website, you'll of course need to register again by filling out just the usual details. You already know what to do, right? After that, you can proceed to searching for images similar to the peg we found on Pinterest. Because our peg had some Christmas images, we can look for those on PNG Tree. And as you can see here, there are a ton of really cute ones that we can use. So pick one or two out, and you can download them easily by clicking on this free download button. And then we can head on back over to Cafe Press. Do take note that a free account only gives you access to a maximum of 2 downloads per day, so choose wisely. After uploading the image, check this out. Without any effort whatsoever, our design already looks wonderful. Now you can add some text, and let's go ahead and do that right now. Ta-da! That's done! You can already sell this design, and when someone buys this tomorrow or next week, next month, or even next Christmas, the passive income will start coming in without any additional work on your part. Of course, you can add to your designs. The more you sell, the more you make as well. So I do recommend that you start working on those design pegs and keep searching for and downloading files so that you can keep creating more during your free time. I really hope that you got inspiration from this video and that you start implementing ways and working on your financial freedom today, because tomorrow you will only wish that you had started sooner. And hey, if you found any value in today's content, then do show us some love by smashing the like, share, subscribe, and notification bell below. Also, leave us a comment to let us know what you want to see next, and check out our other money-making ideas from our previous videos, which I will leave links to in the description box just for you. Alrighty then, take care guys, and I'll see you again on the next one.